The comps on this house were just too good to pass up, so we bought it sight unseen for $725,000. It took 30 days for the deal to go through, so we just got the keys. Hopefully, we get a really good return on this house so we can help pay for the investment in Havasu. Drove myself today, Jeff.
That was the most comfortable ride I've ever taken.
Christina here?
I don't know. I haven't seen her.
Where is she at? That was literally the worst scare ever.
I found this harmony rock. Hopefully we get harmony with this house we haven't seen. Even more almost special crystals.
All right, let's do it.
So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square foot tri-level house.
Ooh, cat house. Good news, no step down. All right, so it's literally the worst kitchen ever.
It's so awkward that they even put this like kitchenette in here. Like this is never gonna be $1 million kitchen, no matter how much money we put into it. It's tiny.
If we open it up, it will be.
If we open it up, it will be, but not at this layout. It's horrible.
I already know we would want to open this up.
You're talking about these two walls right here?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. That means that there would be no post here holding anything up?
Let's get the architect and engineer out here. Oh, I really dislike tri-level homes, but this is not a bad tri-level. Tri-level floor plans are really, really difficult to work with because tri-level floor plans are dated. Buyers want big open spaces. And with a tri-level, you have a bunch of different stairs running into different levels, making it pretty hard to come up with a design that works throughout. Ooh, look.
That's horrible. This place just keeps going.
Oh, what a weird bedroom.
Oh, no. It seems like this was some type of weird add-on.
Hey, Jeff, kitchen's here.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Okay, so we really need to get an architect out to see what we can do because the house is awful with that kitchen.
Bedroom 2.
This is a tiny bedroom for a freaking $900-something thousand house.
Oh. Bathroom? Oh, man. Yuck.
Got this whole thing, right?
Yeah, full gut.
You're looking at 6,300. If we have to rerun the plumbing and everything, 66.
Let's go look at the master. Huge master bedroom.
This is a big room with really high ceilings, and it's still so dark in here. Why?
This glass has tint on it.
It's a little lighter, but look, it's weird. There's no ceiling lights.
There's a light right there.
Yeah, there's your light.
Look at your favorite, a walk-in closet.
Okay.
Dude, your closet's bigger than the bathroom.
Wow, this is a terrible bathroom. Look at the vanity, the light, the shower. Ooh, it's bad. How much are we looking at in here?
You're gonna be at least 7,500.
This house needs a lot of work.
Overall, figure on about 72.
So 72 without the backyard.
Right.
Oh, my ribs!
What's going on in there? What happened?
I crashed a go-kart. Hey, what's up, Jeff?
What's going on, you guys? Come on out here. So I spoke with the engineer. If you guys wanted to take this entire wall out and then take this entire wall out, you guys are talking about having a suspended room. We'd have to put in steel posts, steel beams. You guys are talking 40, 50,000.
Okay,
What?
so that's out no matter what.
Look, you guys do have another option. We could run a beam all the way across to here. And then you could take another beam and sandwich it to this one and run it down that direction.
Okay.
But I'm telling you right now, the beam would be ugly.
Okay,
And
so
how much is that option?
Probably 9,000 to run this beam and that beam.
What do we do?
what if we kept it exposed and added some more like cosmetic wood to it or something and made it like an accent piece?
This would be the eat-in kitchen area that everyone uses. The whole kitchen would be cabinets. There wouldn't be a weird kitchenette, and then you'd use that as a family room.
If we do this, we're at almost 90,000. Today's day one.
Yeah.
I think you have to do it. Can't leave the kitchen like that and expect to sell the house for $1 million.
All right.
Oh my God. What is going on here?
These are the biggest freaking footings we've ever dug. They're huge.
Oh my God. Why are they so much bigger? I'm totally curious.
I would say normally on your guys' other houses, it's a single story that we're taking out.
Yeah.
Right now, you're dealing with a 2-story plus the weight of the roof.
So the new beam is gonna run from that point to this point.
Right.
All right. So you wanna go talk about master bathroom layout?
Sure.
Man, this is wild. All right. We have a huge master bedroom.
Yep.
Okay? We have a nice walk-in closet. We have a dinky bathroom.
Terrible bathroom.
So here's what I'm thinking. Instead of having a walk-in closet, just blow this whole thing out and make it a huge master bathroom.
Got it.
So then build out a new closet right here, wall to wall. And then you would come in here. We just have an opening where you walk into the shower like that. And then we put glass here so you can see the shower.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, beautiful double vanity here. Toilet where you're standing.
Okay.
How much more?
It'll be about $2,000 for the layout. I would say at least a few $1,000s more in tiling. Probably gonna be an extra few hundred just on your valves too.
Let's do it. At this price point, I think I'll get a return. The expenses on this tri-level house are really adding up. But we're putting our money into two areas that I think will give us the best chance of selling the house: the kitchen and the master suite. If those areas come out amazing, I think we have a chance of making some real money. Hey. It's the biggest shower we have done in 9 years. This used to be a walk-in closet. It was completely dead space.
This thing's massive.
So we're not even gonna have a door there. It's just a walk-in shower.
So what are those?
These are for the body sprayers.
It's gonna be super cool.
Design-wise, maybe doing the white subway on this wall and that wall, and then doing this entire wall like an accent wall with one of these three.
Okay.
I really like this one.
But overall, I like the pattern. What are you thinking for the shower pan?
What if we took this tile and just ran it through the shower floor and up this wall?
What if we just did the white subway throughout, all the walls?
We spent a fortune expanding the shower, and to throw a boring white subway just makes no sense.
Well, what if you just did this, but not the whole wall? And then you could do on the floors too.
Like a big band coming down the middle?
Doing a band in the middle so you can still see it, but so it's not so massive will look really good.
What do you think, 3 feet wide?
Yeah. What do you want to do around it?
Maybe we could do like more of a modern 12 by 24 bright white.
Yeah, look good.
Hey.
Hi.
Check this out.
Oh, it looks so good.
It went from an ugly structural beam to now it's a focal point.
It fits perfectly.
But the last thing we need to do is figure out the stair railing. We can keep the one that was there, we can powder coat it, make it look nice. It'll probably cost us $750.
I think we should definitely do a new one. It's like the whole focal point of the entire house is that staircase.
With the market where it's at and how much we've already spent on this house, we spent a lot of money. We can't do the door and the railing.
Oh,
we can do
the door is horrible.
To do all brand new railings, we're looking at $2,700. We can either do the door and powder coat the old railings, or all new railings, paint the door.
Well, we definitely have to do the railings, and I don't think the door is going to prevent someone from buying the house. It's just an eyesore.
I mean, we'll definitely paint the door.
All right.
Brand new railings, $2,700. Paint the door, leave it at that. Cool.
Come on, Cash.
Bougie, bougie, bougie. Hey.
Hi.
It's a windy one.
Yeah, it is. Paint looks pretty good.
I mean, compared to before, this is way better.
Yeah, the fountain alone, that tile choice, looks so much more modern.
I'm
Looks nice.
excited to see this house. Welcome home.
Wow. The staging looks perfect. All the different pops of color look so nice. The beam wrapped in wood is a great choice.
It's completely open. Even though it's a tri-level, I still feel like it's a newer build house.
Totally, especially with the high ceilings and everything and all the modern touches. It doesn't really feel like a tri-level.
This came out beautiful.
They really did a good job incorporating the blues. It ties into the backsplash. Everything just ties in together so nice.
Ooh, I want to see the fireplace.
I like this room because this really could be like an additional family room. Really pretty. I can totally see a family out here.
It's a good yard. I mean, it's perfect.
Totally.
Love the railings.
I'm definitely glad we did those.
Oh, this came out super clean. Look how big the room is. We took away square footage in the bedroom by adding these huge closets, and it still looks like an oversized master.
I love the high ceilings in here. It gets so much natural light.
Here's the moneymaker. Oh my God, it looks so nice. I can't believe this was a closet.
Biggest shower ever.
It just flows, and I love how it wraps the floor and then runs up the wall like that. I love it.
It's very cool.
All right, let's get it sold.
Wow, this is such a gorgeous house. Oh, look at this fountain. That's beautiful.
I love the color of the door.
I like how they have the tile in the front, like an entrance.
That's cool. It's huge.
Is that the shower?
Oh, wow.
That's so
walk-in
unique.
shower.
Yeah.
And it comes up here, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's
like
super fun.
soft.
Endless space, so
Look at
much
that
room for
shower
activities. Nice.
That's where you want to be.
We received some great feedback at the open house. We received an offer for $985,000.